Alright, power built gear puller. So gonna tell you why this is a must-have. You can make one on your own, but believe me, by the time you get everything all together and all that, you might as well just go out and get one of these. So this is one that I'm borrowing, and the reason why is because you gotta get the bearings off. So you take this end and you put it up against the shaft of whatever you're doing, and these right here pull the bearing off. So you take a wrench right here and you just keep on driving forward and this will pull. Now I would advocate you put a very good amount of lube on there, which I already did, and you just keep on doing. You just pull a little bit, spray, pull a little bit, spray, and it should come out. So let me get you set up here and try it out. Now for the socket end, I'm using a 5/8. Yours might be different, but this is what I'm using. Now for right here, as you see the screw, if I advance it, it'll go right through that hole. So I got this piece of scrap steel, and just like that, it's ready to go. So remember, when the missus was always wondering how come you got all this metal laying around, little bits and pieces, you'll never use it. It's for this occasion right here. Yep. Here we go. Alright guys, that is how you take off the bearings. No wonder why I can't get this sucker off real good. Look at that. Braze. Somebody added a shaft to this. Did a nice cover-up job too. I didn't even recognize it until now. Alright, let's take off the other one. This one's going to be the worst. I don't know how I'm going to do this sucker. Well, after considering all the best options, since this is pretty much destroyed, I'm just going to beat it off. There we go. And there we go. Oh, you might not be able to see it, but there is actually a locking screw that someone put in here. That's great. Well, when in doubt, beat it out. By the way, you're not supposed to hit hammer on hammer because it could shatter, but I'm a YouTube professional, so don't do this at home, kids. Alright, get this out. Just gonna drive this center punch in. Here we go. See what I mean by that screw? Not no more. It's not a problem anymore. Finally, got her out. Just wood screws. Alright, there we go. So gonna take this down to the basement, soak it down. Okay, looking at the other ones, progress is going pretty good. I'm gonna stick this here, pour a little bit of motor oil on this. That should be enough. Work it all in there, and on the next episode I should be able to get that collar off and the bearing off too. Stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, if you would please hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you would please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way you get to see the latest and greatest content on YouTube. All right, later.